Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel your Hulu add-on step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your phone or computer and go to Hulu.com. Click Login and sign in with the Hulu account that is paying for the add-ons. Make sure you are on the correct profile. Then look for your account menu in the top right. Click your profile icon or name to open the drop-down menu. Select Account to enter your account settings page. Scroll down until you find the section called Your Subscription. Look for add-ons in the list under your plan details. Click Manage Add-ons to open the full add-ons page. Take a moment to review which add-ons are currently active and billed. Find the add-on you want to cancel and locate its toggle switch or checkbox. Turn the add-on off by switching the toggle to off or unchecking the box. Repeat the same action for any other add-ons you want to remove. Confirm that each unwanted add-on now shows as not selected or turned off. Scroll down to the bottom of the add-ons page to continue. Click Review Changes to see the updated subscription details. Check the page for the new total price to confirm the add-on charges are removed. Read any notes about when the cancellation takes effect, such as end of billing period. If you are ready, click Submit or Save Changes to finalize the cancellation. Wait for the confirmation message that your changes were saved successfully. If you do not see a confirmation, refresh the page and check the add-on status again. For extra safety, go back to Account and reopen Manage Add-ons to verify it stayed off. Check your email inbox for a Hulu confirmation email about subscription changes. If you use Hulu through a third-party billing provider, identify whether it says billed by Roku, Apple, Amazon, or Google. If it is billed by a third party, open that provider's subscription settings instead of Hulu's website. Cancel the Hulu add-on from the third-party subscriptions page and save the changes there. Return to Hulu and verify the add-on no longer appears as active on your account page. If the add-on still shows active after a while, contact Hulu support with your account email and billing details. Keep a screenshot of your confirmation page or email for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.